Hi guys, in this demo we are going to set up Keycloak and run it locally. So first of all, we will start a Docker container with the Keycloak. Now we should be able to access the admin panel with default credentials. First, we will need to create a realm and create a realm. Then under this new realm, we will create a client. And let's add the name to the client. Client ID and client name. Next. We need to enable client authentication to set the confidential access type. In this demo, let's proceed to the next. Let's copy the callback URL here. Let's also add our local host link and save the configurations. Now we can add our client ID in Supabase dashboard and the client secret. Right, this is ready. Now we will use ejtechlabs to reroute the request. Our realm URL should be our ejtechlabs endpoint, realms, and our name of our realm. Here is it. Let's paste it here and enable the configuration. For this demo, we will also create a user. Let's add the username and email and also verify the email. Let's add the password. Now the user has been created, we can try to log in using Keycloak. Send anyway. So we will fill the first name and last name, and now we are able to log in using Keycloak. This is it. Thank you very much.